What you're looking at is one of the rarest materials ever found on Earth, a lunar meteorite, a real piece of the moon that traveled across space and landed right here on our planet. Lunar meteorites are formed when large asteroids or comets collide with the surface of the moon. The impact is so powerful that fragments of lunar rock are blasted into space. Some of those fragments escape the moon's gravity and eventually fall to Earth as meteorites. These pieces are identical in composition to the rocks brought back by the Apollo missions, which is how scientists can confirm their lunar origin. The composition of a lunar meteorite is truly fascinating. Most of them contain plagioclase feldspar, pyroxene, olivine, and ilmenite, minerals that make up the moon's crust and upper mantle. Unlike typical Earth rocks, they're low in water and contain tiny glassy inclusions formed by intense heat from meteor impacts on the lunar surface. Next, learn what meteorites look like. Most are dark gray or black on the outside, covered with a thin fusion crust, a shiny, burned surface caused by extreme heat as they entered the atmosphere. They often feel heavier than normal rocks because many contain a high percentage of iron and nickel. A magnet can be your best tool. If a rock sticks strongly to a magnet, it could be a meteorite. You can also check for small metallic flakes or a melted, bubbly texture on the surface. Real meteorites rarely have sharp edges. Instead, they're smooth and rounded from their high-speed flight through the air. Another tip is to search after a recent rainfall or sandstorm. When the ground is freshly cleared, dark meteorites stand out clearly against lighter sand or soil. If you find something interesting, don't break it open right away. Photograph it, note the location, and if possible, test it with a magnet or a metal detector. Later, you can send a small sample to a certified lab or university for confirmation. Finding a real meteorite takes time and patience, but the reward is incredible. Even a small fragment can be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. And more importantly, it's a piece of the universe, billions of years old, that landed right here on Earth. So next time you're hiking through rocky terrain or exploring the desert, keep your eyes open. The next space rock could be lying right beneath your feet, waiting to be discovered.